Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Quick story time today. If you're new here, be sure to get subscribed, like the video, join the community Discord. But we're going to talk about getting free products on Amazon, leaving reviews. This is kind of related to personal finance, I guess you could say, because you're getting free products, saving money, but at what cost? So as some people may know, Amazon reviews are a huge source of controversy and contention because there are tons and tons of fake reviews or reviews where people are paid for the product to give the review. You can't really trust it. So how is this related to finance and saving you money? There are a lot of videos and blogs out there with people who review a ton of Amazon products, and they talk about how they're able to get companies or brands to reach out to them and send them the product for free in exchange for a review. Now, usually these reviews will be more favorable because obviously they're getting sent the product for free. After that review, they can keep the product and use it as they wish. But what are the moral, ethical issues here? And how are these companies making money when they're just giving out products for free? It seems like I look at the reviews and overwhelmingly positive. There are websites out there like FakeSpot that can help sort through kind of fake reviews and botted reviews. But I think what they're trying to get at is if they pay you to buy the product, it'll show up on Amazon as a verified purchase. It'll be a real person writing the review, so it's not like it's generated from a bot or a computer program. Makes it look a little bit more authentic. But it seems like most of these reviews are overly positive, so I'm sure a lot of people are getting sent these products. So what's my take on this? I mean, we see the same thing in influencer marketing as well, sponsored videos where you might get sent a product, you might get some talking points about it. If it's not like a paid ad or a paid review, you can still give your thoughts. This happens a lot in the tech community. I'm sure you've also seen on Instagram people trying to sell you HelloFresh boxes or makeup, protein powders, weight loss, nutrients, whatever the case may be. Just another extension of that. You know, it is just another marketing tactic, but for those people that do this and get hundreds of products a year, it might be a little bit too much. Just think about how your apartment or your house will look like if you're just getting hundreds of Amazon shipments every year. That stuff does pile up. And some people choose to sell it, but that's just another hoop you have to jump through. For me, it's not necessarily worth it to become like a top Amazon reviewer just to get free products that I may or may not want or actually need. But here's the personal finance tip out there. You can leave reviews, reach out to brands, opportunities. You never know what's out there. Might get yourself a free product. Save yourself some money, but just make sure you're making any required disclosures. Try to be as honest as you can with your reviews. If something's actually terrible, I don't think I would feel comfortable at least telling people to buy it if it was actually bad. And there are thousands of issues on Amazon. Fake reviews are a big one. Here, yeah, the pros and cons, they are a little bit inflated, but at the same time, they're not fake reviews. They're offering to help with their customer service. They're selling you an actual product. Amazon also has a huge issue with knockoffs and trying to figure out what's real, what's not. So those are other issues for another day. But I'm going to keep this short and sweet. You know, just giving you my experience and my thoughts on everything. If you have any similar situations, let me know down in the comments, any products that you've been offered to test for free, or if you didn't know about this and now maybe you might go about trying to get yourself some things for free on Amazon or other websites as well. Let me know as well. Love to hear those stories. But thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video. Thought it was useful. Maybe you're able to get something out of this. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and join the community Discord. As I mentioned, we're trying to build up a community, talk about any issues, anything, just hang out for you guys. Links all down in the description below. See you guys next time. Peace.